Welcome back to a new video. Today.
Cut the bullcrap, man. Tell him.
Today.
Tell me. I heard you bought a new car, dog. Where it at?
Hey man, don't worry about it, alright? Whoop. Whoop.
Dang.
We got a new drift car,
Oh
man.
my god.
Let me just engage my e-brake real quick. There you go.
One of those. I've never feared for my Subi more in my life, dude.
That was a little close. Hey man, but it worked, alright?
Little close, dude.
Little close.
So what is this, bro?
What is this?
What is it?
What is this?
It looks like another E30, man. What
Hey
you do?
man, but if you look closer, man, you can see it ain't just any regular E30. You know what I'm saying? You look under the hood.
If it's a
One, do the. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. Boom. We got a 97 Z3 swap into the E30.
damn. Where are all the wires, bro?
So, the previous owner obviously did the swap. I'm not gonna take any credit for anything done on this car. Everything from a 97 Z3 and then parts from here and there. Like brake boosters off a Porsche, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Porsche.
yeah, we're so cool. But yeah, full swap.
Freshly painted.
Yeah, freshly planted. Some of that red.
Is that some flake in there, brother?
Yeah, that's some more flake.
Ooh.
We got
Look at this.
rack spacers for some angle. Come on.
Show me the angle, brother.
Got that angle up in there, man. Alright. Hit the other side real quick.
Ow. God damn.
Alright.
Ooh.
I want to say it's kind of like a basic swap, which it is.
It's done really clean. This
Yeah.
is very nice.
Very clean, very reasonably priced. Pretty much a steal, if you ask me.
It's a what? It's a what?
It's a steal, man. But yeah, inside the car, we first switch turns on all the, you know, the harness and the ECU. This switch activates fans, which we don't need at the moment. And this is your starter. We have an oil pressure gauge, which at the moment's reading what? Is that like 30 something PSI?
Yeah.
Yeah, we good, man. Windows work. They're all relocated up here. Has a dual caliper hydro setup. Secondary caliper is off of Mercedes.
One, two.
Caliper, man.
Tight,
Other
man.
than that, that's it.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah, it's just swapped. Bare necessities, wall to diff, all that good stuff. Got some WRX seats.
Dude, got a Subaru seat in here, man. Look at this guy. Just couldn't leave the lifestyle, could you?
Couldn't leave the Subaru lifestyle, man.
Woo! Got some fender flares.
Yeah, we need to work on it a little bit, you know. It needs some love.
Oh. Oh.
Man,
Oh, it's a drift car for sure, man.
that's the only hit it has in the whole car.
Only hit. This is only the only
But
hit.
we're gonna be getting very hot boy with this car. It's on B.
I'm wet.
Let's do a little.
So straight pipe exhaust, I'm assuming.
I think it has the muffler at the end.
Oh, we
I
have
think
no
that's-
idea. Okay. Tight. Nothing to see there.
I really want to
Pretty loud fuel pump. Is it a stock fuel pump?
I don't know. Wish I could tell you that.
The mysteries of George's drift builds.
I think everything's off the Z3.
Cool.
Like, for the most part, everything's Z36.
Except for the Porsche brake booster.
And the Mercedes calipers.
Oh, Mercedes luxury. Tight, man. It's a drift car.
She's just got some scuffs, man. We're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint it.
Oh,
Alright.
yes we are. I
really
kind of like
want-
the side skirts, man.
Yeah, they're plastic.
Except for the broken piece up there. Almost zoomed in right on your junk.
And
keep it PG, man. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, the car is definitely sick. It's tight. We're gonna be sliding this thing.
Interesting headlight swap there. Ooh.
They're super bright at night. Very illegal. I'm gonna probably change that setup just a little bit. We're gonna probably relocate the. We'll get to it. Doesn't matter. We're just introducing the car.
This the new car, man.
This is the new car.
Woo!
All right. So we're currently in the drift car. Seating isn't final, so I'm kind of I'm a little scrunched up here. Don't you agree there?
Oh, you'll be okay.
Yeah.
Your head's definitely hitting the...
Yeah, my head's hitting the roof, and I'm kind of slouched. But let's get this car on, okay? Let's take off that custom e-brake. All right. So, since it has a 6-cylinder motor and a tiny little E30 chassis, this car, I stalled it. Definitely feels super rowdy. I'm actually gonna adjust my mirrors real quick before I do anything. There you go. This car gets it, dude.
It rips, dude.
This thing hella rips.
Woo! Woo! Makes a lot of noises.
Yeah, it does. Thinking what I'm thinking?
No.
Just send it or no?
It's a really good pot, actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I know. There's like hella people looking at me. As I was done with saying, the little 6-cylinder and the E30 chassis, just the car just feels so lightweight. It's great. Well, that's dangerous. Are you kidding me? What the was that?
Brad, you saw that, man. I wasn't really paying attention, and I was like,
Yeah, dude.
And I was like, oh, I can see how it's really controllable too as you're going around.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a little practice.
Yeah.
As far as power
This is the
delivery,
first time.
smooth, but
Yeah, this is the first time I drive the car. Besides, like up and down the road, I'm actually. I hope I'm not screaming into the GoPro either. I just realized that.
I can barely hear you. So.
Oh, I mean, yeah, but it's because like my mouth is right in front of the camera, so. Car definitely feels nice. Yeah, once we get a nice seat in this thing, dude, it's gonna be like A1.
Yeah, do you like?
What are you doing? Like, I don't understand. Like, what the
Dude, people in Arvin are just
dude?
the worst.
That was just a quick little drive around of the car. I can't really do much, like, you know, in city roads. We just kind of had a, you know, just a quick little drive around. We'll get more to it later on. Obviously, we're going to be hella shredded.
Could be on it, bro.
Man, you always have to be ready for anything, man. Man, Papa, tell me a joke, man.
Alright, dog. So these.
Alright, stop right there. The car does have rack spacers, so it does have a little bit of angle. Like, U-turns were super A1, if you saw in the video. It does have E46 control arms, so it's even more angle than that. But yeah, car's pretty solid. He also stripped the wiring harness to like bare minimum of what you need for full race car mode, so the harness is simplified to just, you know, starter.
Now, is it just the engine harness, or is that the whole?
Like the whole thing. So like even like to the tail lights, it's all stripped to like bare necessities. Even up to the front of the headlights, like as you can see, like you just have one wire and it's like feeding through the back somehow. It's this red one here, and that's all there is in the front. So the harness is super simplified to cut out weight.
You can see right here, like everything's moved, so the window regulator's right there, and then but he kept this
Yeah, to
And all-
you can still charge your phone.
It's kind of fun.
Still, because all that window stuff is normally down here, and since they, stripped the interior and moved it up, really appreciate that. He was a really awesome guy. Definitely going to carry on the legacy of the car. Probably keep in touch with him. But yeah, the car's nice. Just has one little dingle of the dongers. Just one little patch. A little dingle dongle.
Scrapper doodle right here.
Scrapper doodle on the exhaust, But it just adds its character.
Little flapper flingle.
Flapper flingle on the side there. But yeah, all electronics work.
Angle dangle.
Some of that angle dangle.
Angle dangle.
Angle dangle. Sunroof still works. It's a pretty neat car, honestly. I think with the stuff we're gonna do to it, this car's gonna be super dope. I can't wait.
This is like definitely a learner's car, like as far as driving. You want
Yeah.
to learn how to drive well on it,
Yeah.
and I think it'll work well for that.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, that's it for today's video. First mod, we're just gonna pretty much check out the seating on what I can do, because it looks like the seat bracket is welded to the seat somehow, and I can't push the seat as far back as it normally could. So we're just gonna check that out. Nothing too crazy to record. I don't think it's super worth it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Diff Auto. We're gonna be in the Drift Gang again.
Defado!
It's Diff Auto.
Defado!
Diff Auto. But yeah, I had to sell the E36, man, because that thing was. I learned the basics in that, and so now I got the the final drift car. And as much as you want to talk crap that I didn't build this car, whatever, man. I just want to slide. I built a car already. I know.
Step one, dude.
Just-
There's plenty of things will come for this car.
Yeah.
It's not over.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna break a lot of things. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. What should they comment down below?
Comment down below what drift car you would have bought if you were going to buy a drift car.
Yeah, there you go. I like it.
Or if you already have one, what drift car you own.
Yeah,
And
or
if
if
you
you want
don't
to
own
race,
one,
you want to
just
race
put-
me? Huh? You have a drift car?
If you don't have a drift car, just put crying emojis in the comments. Let us know how sad you are. I'll be there with you.
Thanks for watching. Bye.